Hello viewers, today I want to show you how to create a Canvas app. Power apps provide a rapid development environment to build custom applications for your business needs. By using Power Apps, you can create three types of applications: Canvas apps, model-driven applications, and Power App portals. What is Canvas app? Canvas app is Canvas app is not device optimized. It means whenever you are creating a Canvas app, you need to select either tablet or mobile, and whenever you want to control over the UI, means what how you want to design the UI, then you can go at the Canvas app give full control on the UI, and it can connect with the multiple data source. You can use Dataverse or SharePoint, whatever you want, any data source you can use at a time. And the Canvas app, whenever you want to move from one screen to other screen, you will perform some actions by using the language called powerapps. And Canvas app we are calling a three-screen app. Whenever you are creating any Canvas app, it will show three screens. Those are browse screen, detail screen, and edit screen. That's why we are calling it as three-screen app. And we can use different controls in Canvas app like labels, text bars, buttons, sliders, rating control, radio, audio, video, camera, barcode scanner, all this. Let's go to CRM and create a simple Canvas app. We can create Canvas app in three ways, like any blank app, means scratch, or any Dataverse or templates. Today in this session I will show you how to create using Dataverse. Let's go to CRM. This is my environment, my Power Apps environment. Yesterday I showed you already. And I am going to my solutions. My solution is Power Apps Practice. Here you can create an app, but inside the solution it will allow to create only blank app. Only you can see app, Canvas app from blank. You can see here it's asking to tablet or phone. The way we are telling like Canvas app is not device optimized. Okay, but today I will show you how to create Canvas app from Dataverse. So that's why I'm going out of solution and go to home. You can see you can create blank app from here also. Now I am going with Dataverse, so click on Dataverse. I am using yesterday I created a student table, right? So I'm using the student table today. Whenever it will ask connection, it will ask for connection. So it was already there. If it's not there, click on new connection and give your CRM credentials. It will create the connection. Click on connection. It will ask for tables. Our table is student. Select students and connect. You can see in the left navigation it was asking screens and components. This is the navigation insert. You can see I'm already told you Canvas app is three screens app. You can see browse screen, detail screen, and edit screen. That's why we are calling Canvas app as three screen app. You can see this is the browsing screen, this is the detail screen, and this one is edit screen. We are not done anything. This was created from Dataverse. We are nothing doing here. Simply I am playing here. You can see how it will work. Okay, just click on play. Okay, I will go to first screen, and this is the first screen. So click on play. Now you can see it was showing student records. Now just click on this button, view item details. Now you can see it was showing details about Shruti. Now if you want to edit this, just click on this edit button. Well, I am updating age to some 6 and class to first, and click on submit item. Now it was updating the record. If you wanna see this, just go to back. You can see Shruti now the class is updated to 1 and age is 6. Here we are not done anything. This was completely provided by CRM itself. Just close this. If you want to see how the operations is performed here, just you can see browse section. You can see how many controls they are using. Browse gallery, rectangular. You can simply click on this. You can see this is the browse screen one. You can click on browse gallery. See, this is the browse gallery. It was displaying records. You can see here. This was vertical layout. See, right? If you want to change this now, you can see here we have properties. Layout, title and subtitle means what this is the title and this is the subtitle. Okay, layout it was not showing. Hidden display, visibility, size. If you want to some change some color, let's see. I want to change this color to something. Just select background color and click on something. You can see like this. You can change the colors also. But I want to see gallery is vertical or horizontal. This was actually vertical. Think we can select at the time of choosing the control only. It's a vertical or horizontal. So this is the vertical control, and you can see here you have search button. You can see search icon like this in our blank app. If you want to use search icon, you can use the search icon here. This is the test search box. You can see icon, new item. This is some plus button. If you want to add any record, you can see new form, edit form one, navigate edit screen. Like this, whenever you want to work with blank app, if you want to add some record, you can just click on this. You can see plus button. It was asking to create a new record, so you can perform all this type of operation in our blank app. But you need to know about the all these functions, like means the actions what we are performing. Like plus you can see now if you want to perform create new record, you need to use this thing. All this thing we can learn later. Now this is a sample canvas app we are creating using Dataverse. You can do all the customization whatever you want by using the Dataverse table. You can perform. Now I'm not showing anything here. I'm just sample how showing you how to create a canvas app by using Dataverse. After creating this, just save it. You need to enter your app. Like I'm entering student app. Save it, and you need to publish it. Then only it will completely available for us. So click on publish. Still it was saving, so it will take some time. I think 1 minute nearly. So just wait for sub save. Once it's saved, we need to publish it. Yeah, now it was ready to publish. So publish this version. Once published, you can go back and you can see the apps. You can see the student underscore app. Yeah, it was published now. Just go back. Are you sure you want to leave the app? Yeah, leave. You're already saved, right? Now we can go to apps. This is our app. Just to open it, just play. You can just click on play. Now you can see how our it was asking for my password. Asking. Now you can see how the app is look like. You can see now our app is loading. It was asking again and again. Okay, leave it. Let's see. This is our app. It's really how it look like. I'm gonna apply some background color like so you can see. You can click on edit, and if you want to delete this Stavia record, you can click on delete button. It will delete this Stavia record. You can see now Stavia is not there. You want to add any new record, you can click new, and I want to create Stavia record one more time. Stavia, okay, like this you can create your canvas app using the Dataverse. And if you want to do any customization, you can do it. Thanks for watching.
Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe.